Hey guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your home page in Google Chrome. So once you're inside Google Chrome, go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then click on your settings here, and you want to scroll down to where you have home page, right? So you want to tap on that. Here you will see what's currently being set, and as you can see, I currently have YouTube set. You can change this to whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to, for example, Facebook, right? So you will see that once I change this to facebook.com and I go ahead and I click finish there. Now that I'm in Chrome here, guys, if I click the home page on the upper right hand side, you will see that it's going to take me right to Facebook. And that's it. Now you don't want to get confused of open up new tab and think that it's going to load. You have to click in the home page, and that's the icon on the upper right hand side. And that's how you basically go ahead and change your home page in Google Chrome. So if you're looking for how to change that, guys, you just need to go to your settings, then go down to home page, and you can easily change this to whatever you want. By default, you should have it set to Chrome's home page, but if you want to change it to whatever you want, that's how you basically do it.